thing works, we could learn the identity of the author and unravel the greatest mysteries of Gravity Falls.
Words Apprentice? Seriously?
Look, I was thinking, and this is a huge opportunity for me.
I had the worst day of my life. When we turned 13, summer ends, and I have to leave everything behind. You're the only person I could count on, and now you're leaving me too?
Mabel, I thought you were living a fantasy, but look at me! I actually thought I was gonna stay here and be Ford's apprentice. Spend my entire teens cooped up in a basement with a lab coat? How ridiculous is that?
Of a feather say that they're always gonna stay together, but one's never going to let go of that wire. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a
I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, but whatever it is, you don't have to fear because we'll do it together. I'm not taking Ford's apprenticeship. We've traveled to heck and back to get you, and we're going back together. Leave this fantasy world. Let's beat Bill and grow up together.
Mean it? You're really coming home with me?
Yes, definitely. Absolutely.
Birds on a wire. One tries
Ready to head into the unknown?
Nope.
away,
Let's do it.
and the other